Hey, welcome back to Adventures with Papa, where every day is an adventure. And this day, another adventure. Hopefully I don't break anything. Let me show you what I got going on here. All right, I got this old cap, and these struts are wore out. They have been wore out for a number of years, and I've been just using this stick to prop up my door. And well, I finally got new struts, and I'm going to put them on. But I've never put these on before, so you can see here, you know, oh, it's all dirty. And if I take this stick out, okay, then this door is just going to boom and fall down. It does not stay up. So hopefully I put these new struts on, I ain't got to worry about that no more. I can actually use that stick for something else. All right, so it looks like that I have to remove this clip, top and bottom, and that should pop right off. So let me get started on it. Let's see. See, I take that stick out, and look, it won't stay up. No matter what I do, it won't stay up. And I've been dealing with that for years. So I have to take that stick and put it in there. So I've been carrying around that stick for years. So now I'm going to replace them. All right, let's try taking this clip off. Whoop, don't want to break the window. I guess I gotta take this clip off. Looks like it comes off. Maybe? I don't know. All right, that clip's off. Let's see. Does it come off? Oh, look at that. All right, I'll leave. Uh-oh. There goes my stick. Hold on. Don't go nowhere. Hey. I gotta hold the door up. I gotta get the stick. You should be watching this. Oh well. There we go. All right. Oh, I got the stick back up. All right, so let's go down to the bottom one. And I do believe that's going to operate the same way. Got that clip off. Okay. Let's see if we can get this off. That's that side. And boom. There it is. That was pretty simple. I hope it's just as simple putting it on. Now, let me put this together. So what I got here is threaded end. Okay. And another threaded end on these struts. Okay, here's the new strut. Now they come in specific sizes too, so you have to order that specific size. And here's the little end caps. Got 4 of them, and as you can see, they're threaded. So let's put them on. They're all the same. So it doesn't matter if one's top and one's bottom. So we'll put them on. Oop, don't knock the camera over, Russell. Okay. And these already have them springs, the clips on both ends. All right. So I don't have to reuse them. So Let me see. Let's see how easy these are going to go in. I'm going to... Oh, that was so easy. Hold on. I got to push this down. Wow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That door's going to come down on my camera. The stick fell and my door's still up. Wow. That was amazing. All right, I got one more to put up and put this together, and we'll get that one off and we'll put that one up and we'll see. Right now it's working. Look at that. What? All right, let's get this other one put on. Yeah, that was so simple to do. I don't know why I didn't do it years ago. I don't know. I mean, they're not even that expensive. I don't even know what I paid for it, but I'll leave it down in the description. The item that I got, I believe these are 16-inch struts for this cap. So you have to measure. You have to measure from center to center, and that's the distance at full extension. Now look at this. Oh man, that's hard. Now, oh, I don't have to deal with this stick no more. Propping it up. That wasn't too much of an adventure. I didn't break anything. I didn't get hurt. And it works. Hey, if you like what you've seen, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I always love hearing from you guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching Adventures with Paw Paw. Don't forget, hit that subscribe wherever it's at. Okay? And again, I love your support. Thank you. See you on the next video. Oh, this is awesome. Wow. Oldie but goodie.